Hey everyone, it's Jam Pop, back with my favorite recipe, Greek bowls. This meal is super healthy, full of protein, very filling, and of course super yummy. Here's the ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 or a full teaspoon of garlic salt, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1 cup of cucumber, 12 cherry tomatoes, 8 Greek olives, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which isn't pictured. We're cutting this cucumber up in bigger pieces since we'll just be adding this to the plate to eat directly. This other cucumber I'm chopping up finely for our tzatziki sauce, which is just plain Greek yogurt, cucumbers, and garlic salt. You can add dill if you're fancy. Now I'm going to cut up the cherry tomatoes. These will also be added just directly into the bowl. They add a beautiful sweetness that contrasts with the other flavors and really adds dimension to this whole thing. Now I'm going to saute the chickpeas. We'll be using the chickpeas, the garlic salt, pepper, and cumin, and then also our tablespoon of olive oil. First, in my pan, I'm going to heat up the tablespoon of olive oil, and once it's shimmering, I'll add in the chickpeas and spices. I cook this at medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the chickpeas are ready when some of them pop up like popcorn. We want to be sure to cook them in the pan with no lid on so that the liquid cooks off and the chickpeas become nice and crispy. And now we just have to plate. This is such a fast, simple meal. First I'm adding my chickpeas and then the tzatziki sauce. Now the tomatoes and cucumbers and olives. Lastly, I'll cut up my hard-boiled eggs to bring some more color to the dish and lay them out. And now I'm going to add some toasted pita triangles. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's super good, super healthy, and a really nice bright summer meal. If you want more recipes like this, be sure to like and subscribe.